Hello everyone. So today's topic, write a C program to display the alphabets using the ASCII values. Okay. So before we go ahead, first thing is that the full form for that ASCII, that is ASCII, that stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay. So basically the meaning of this program is nothing but we are going to display the alphabets, okay, from A to Z, but we are going to use ASCII values. Okay, so very simple program. um, Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, and then integer main function, but as in this program I have used here getch. Okay, so do not write integer, because when you are writing integer, okay, then compulsory here you have to write return statement. Okay, so what you can do is, instead of integer, please use void here. Void, do not use integer. And if you are using integer, still no problem, but only thing is here you have to write return statement, that is return space 0 and semicolon. Okay. Okay, so now I will consider like void main function only. So here instead of integer, void, so void main and function means bracket means function. So now open the bracket and one variable declaration, that is integer I, and after that for loop, and we are writing I equal to 97, because as per the ASCII table, okay, we know that I is equal to 97 means small a, and then 98, 99, likewise B, C, D, E, and likewise till 122, that we know from that ASCII table. So I equal to 97, I is less than equal to 122, and then I plus plus, open the curly bracket, and then printf statement. Now here the main part is printf percent %c. Okay, now percent %c and variable which we have used here is I, but at the time of declaration it was like integer I. Okay, integer data type. So when it comes to integer data type, we know that we should use percent %d only, not percent %c. But here in this program, why we are using percent %c? Because we do not want to print a 97 number or 98 number or 99 number. Here we want to print character. Okay, so at 97, as per ASCII table, which character is there, and we want to print that character, and for that purpose only we are using printf percent %c and then I. So it will not print 97, it will print what? A. Then closing bracket of for loop, which means you have to come here at this point, I plus plus. So it will increment the value of I by 1, so 98. Again it will check the condition, that is 98 less than equal to 122, and if the condition is true, again it will go inside, again percent %c comma I, again it will print the character, likewise 98, 99, 100, 101 until 122. Okay, once the condition is false here, it will come out from this for loop, and directly it will jump to getch function and close the bracket. So when you will execute this program, you will find the output like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, likewise till what? Z. Thank you all.